Welcome back to the channel. If you're considering getting the iPhone 16e, you might wonder if it has Dynamic Island, that cool feature that changes how notifications and alerts appear on your screen. Let's find out. In brief, I will discuss what a Dynamic Island is. Dynamic Island is a unique interactive area at the top of the screen that expands and changes shape to display elements such as incoming calls, music playback, and live activities. It was first introduced on the iPhone 14 Pro models and has since gained popularity as a feature. So does the iPhone 16e have it? The answer is no. The iPhone 16 does not have Dynamic Island. This feature is currently only available on higher-end models like the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro series. Instead, the iPhone 16 has a regular notch at the top of the screen, just like previous standard models. In addition, let's see alternative features. Although the iPhone 16e lacks Dynamic Island, you can still access notifications and live activities through the lock screen and notification center, so you won't miss any important updates. The iPhone 16 lacks Dynamic Island, yet it provides essential notifications and alerts through alternative methods. I hope this information helped, and I'll see you in the next one.